Hi, and welcome to a video tutorial on how to create a bar chart. In this case, this is a vertical bar chart, and we give it a lot of tables or data to select from. So this is not quite straightforward, but it's a very simple question. We're going to answer question 12 to 15. This is a 2021, 2020, sorry, 2020 specimen paper. So we're going to use this file here, which is J2120 growth.csv. So I'll locate that file, and so that is it here, and double click on it. Now you will see that this particular file has just increased the size. Now you realize that I have the years for 2020 to 2023 at the top here, and here below I have cross country. Okay, and cross country has these inventories. Okay, so we are going to plot this year here against that one over there. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to highlight the first row, which is 2020 to 2023. Hold on the control key and go to cross country and do the same for the items over there. Now, the next thing to do is go to insert and then come to chart. Under the chart section, the right beside the pie chart is the scatter diagram. So you can see here scatter X and Y. So when I click on that here, I select the first one. Now you can see that this gives me some representation of what I need to do, but we need to draw a bar chart. So I click on change chart type and then come to recent, or just select here column. Okay, so I click on column and select that and click on OK, or you can just double click on that. All right, so that is how to create that particular chart. Now back to the question. So here I've answered the first part of the question, which is creating a vertical bar chart to show the forecast of cross-country event only for this particular years. Now the next part of the question 13 says label the chart with the title growth in cross-country event. So we're going to do that. Come in here and then you'll find a plus sign here. No, just double click within the chart title and then put in the heading as required of you. So I have done the label. 14 says the format the value as a skills to display the title number of events. So here the title is here. So the title will be number of events. So I'm going to copy this and then come to this part here. Click on the plus sign at the top of the chart here. And then click on As. And then within this section here, I put the number of events as a required of me. We were not asked to do anything for here, any labeling here. So you just delete it by clicking on highlighting and clicking on delete. So that part of the question has been answered. The next part says the minimum value is 9,000 and then the maximum value of 10,500 and increases by 250. So back to the chart again. I click on this as is, which represents the number of events. Double click, right click on it. You right click and click on format as is. Once you click on format as is, you have the minimum value here. So I change it to 9,000 and then change this here to 10,500 as is required. Now we are asked to have an increment of 250. So that's the major unit. So the major unit will be 250. Okay, so that is how to go about that part of the question for 14. Now 15 say display only the values as data labels above each bar. So this here again, you come to the plus sign. Now if you come to data label, this very one, you check on it, you have the values displayed above each of the years. So that is how to solve that part of the question. And says that do not display a category axis or a legend. So in this case here, our legend is not showing. So here it's not showing. And yeah, and then again, yeah. So that is it. So yeah, basically that is it for this particular question. So to go over again, you want to change the maximum and minimum, you right click on this section here, or just click on it and come to format as this, and then you get this part here, maximum minimum, and that is how to go about it for this particular question. Okay, so on that note, I bring you to the end of this tutorial. I encourage you to go through the same paper, and there's a similar one in 2018. Try your hands on it and see if you can perfect yourself before the exams. So till we meet again, bye bye.